Okay, today I'm reviewing Crystal Kingdom Dizzy on the ZX Spectrum. Let's start this. This is one of the, I think this is the last one that they ever did on the Spectrum. Car Masters. Now as you can see, this is Crystal Kingdom Dizzy. Very colourful, as you expect from your Dizzy. This is when the Oliver twins stopped being involved. It's a bit not quite as good as the old Oliver twins ones, but it's alright in its own right, I suppose. See the normal colour blend, as you can see. I'm red because the house behind me is red. Ouch. So we get the 1 ton. Music's very good. I don't know if that's CJ. Yeah, it is. CJ's Elephant Antics. I'm pretty sure I've done a review of that a long time ago. Very good game, CJ's Elephant Antics, but we're not talking about CJ's Elephant Antics today. We're talking about Crystal Kingdom Dizzy. Okay, do you understand? So we keep going. Watch it. I can go down this well. Can I go down this well? No, I can't. I can go up the clouds though, as you can see. Oh, I can't get past the waterfall. Oh, you fuck. Wonder if I know, maybe I can put the weight down the well. Maybe not. Ouch. Presentation's excellent. Oh, you fuck. So I'm not quite sure what I've got to do now. It's all about puzzle solving. I'm sure you can't go down that well. Maybe I can jump up here. Maybe not. Daisy's up there. The missus. Oh, I know. Put a weight on here. There we go. So now I should be able to get up to Daisy. Oh, she's in. I'm in the bad books. What have I done? I'm obviously in the bad books. Oh, do you want a gold coin, CJ? Oh, you can have it. Yes. Why don't you eat one of these cherries if you're so starving? Can I go in the house? Oh, I'm in. The generator. Put a gold coin in the generator. I don't think that's going to do much use. So there we go. Anyway, this is DC7, Crystal Kingdom Dizzy, Car Masters for ZX Spectrum. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Good time, do ya?